All right, honey, what you got?
Well, you can take a picture of it.
You got a flat tire, a nail in the tire that I picked up outside of town. There it is, a bubbling. Knew it was something. And where is the plugs? The little plugs that he's going to use. Oh, and it is on eBay. Oh, can you flip it upside down? It's freezing. So Matthew can know. And it's 4 sizes. Heavy duty plug filler. Let's see how Papa John does this.
I'm kind of seeing what size it is, and the tire is over full, so hopefully I don't have to pull the hose. So these are the different sizes. And that's pretty good size now.
Yes.
So we got blue, yellow. No, this is the smallest.
Yeah.
Looks like the blue one's the biggest.
And ladies and gents, he is rocking his new Walmart shoes today, trying them out. See how they will last.
With an insole in them.
Oh, you have an insole.
Yeah, because I have tender feet.
Puts a screw on there. Look at that.
No.
He's screwing it out.
I'm trying to get it out of there because it's caught down in there. They use the same size container for all of them and the big ones.
But they're different colors.
Yeah. And it already has the glue and everything on it. So I got this now ready, so when I pull that out the rest of the way, I'm not going to lose all my air. So let me get this in my hand. Yeah. Might be needed, the smaller one. There it goes. Yeah, there it goes. Because you want it tight.
Right. Yeah, because you don't want air coming out around the edges.
So you just screw this in until
Pushing that glue. That does have glue in it. Oh, wow. Will you spray water on there, see if it's going to bubble?
Yep.
Amazing.
No leaky. That's it. It's a lot easier than plugging.
Hey, that took only 4 minutes. Only 4 minutes, people. Helicopter John did it again. Did it again.
Yeah, it's down below it, so.
Wow, and you got them on eBay.
Yes, I did.
Let me look at the little
Or Amazon, I forget which one. What?
Amazon or eBay.
Yeah, but no, these.
Screwdriver.
Yeah, it comes with a screwdriver, which I like a little bigger one.
Yeah.
So you got a little more grip.
There it is, people.
It says 4 sizes.
I see white, pink, yellow, and blue.
Oh, okay.
And so, wow, that would be handy to keep in your car.
Yep. And
So if you're on the side of the highway and don't,
where's that nail I pulled out?
it's in this, let's see how big that nail is. It's right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. There it is. There it is. Awesome.
So I could have used the next size down. Might have been a little easier to screw in. But
Yeah.
as they say, go big or go home.
Go big, go home. Well, thank you, Mr. Helicopter John. See you next time.